Hello and welcome to everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about health and welfare measures. Health measures. First one is cleanliness. It includes removal and disposal of dirt from floors, benches, etc. every day. Washing of floors of workroom at least every week using disinfectant. Effective means for drainage to avoid collection of water on the work floor. All walls and partitions, all ceiling, tops of rooms, passage and staircase to be repainted once in 5 years. Next health measures is about disposal of waste and effluents. Effective and suitable arrangement should be made for the disposal of waste and effluents due to the manufacturing process. Next health measure is about ventilation and temperature. In every factory, effective and suitable provision shall be made for securing and maintaining adequate ventilation by fresh air circulation and suitable temperature to provide conditions of comfort and prevent injury to the health of workers in every workroom. Next health measures is about artificial humidification. In factories like textile where humidity of air is artificially increased, state government may make rules for regulating the method of artificially increasing humidity, directing prescribed tests for determining the humidity, and prescribing method for achieving adequate ventilation and cooling the air in workroom. The water employed for humidification shall be from a source of drinking water. Next health measure is about dust and fumes. Employer shall take necessary steps to keep workrooms free from dust or fumes offensive or injurious to the health of the workers. Next health measures is about overcrowding. No workroom should be overcrowded to an extent which is injurious to the health of workers. The minimum space provided for a worker should be 4.2 cubic meter. Next health measures is about lighting. Light, whether artificial or natural or both, should be sufficient and suitable in all workrooms. Skylight and glazed windows for lighting the workrooms should be kept clean and unobstructed. Next health measures is about drinking water. Section 18 deals with the provisions relating to arrangements for drinking water in factories. In every factory, effective arrangement shall be made to provide and maintain at suitable points conveniently situated for all workers therein a sufficient supply of wholesome drinking water. Next health measure is about conservancy arrangements. In every factory there shall be provided and maintained separate arrangement for toilets for male and female workers at convenient places. Next health measures is about spittoons. Section 21 lay down that in every factory there shall be provided a sufficient number of spittoons in convenient places. Welfare measures. First welfare measures is about washing facilities. Washing facilities adequately screened for male and female workers should be provided in the factory. Washing facilities shall be easily accessible and kept clean. Next welfare measures is about first aid appliances. For every 150 workers, minimum one fully equipped first aid box shall be kept available during all working hours. A factory employing more than 500 workers shall have a properly equipped ambulance room. Next welfare measures is about canteens. A canteen shall be provided in each factory in which more than 250 workers are ordinarily employed. Next welfare measures is about shelters, restrooms and lunchrooms. Shelters, restrooms and lunchrooms. Every factory in which more than 150 workers are ordinarily employed. Adequate, suitable, clean, sufficiently lighted and ventilated restrooms shall be provided. Next welfare measures is about creches. Every factory shall provide clean, adequately lighted and ventilated rooms for the use of children of women workers if the number of such women workers exceeds 30. Next welfare measures is about welfare officers. Every factory employing 500 workers or more shall employ welfare officers. The state government may prescribe the duties, qualifications and conditions of service of welfare officers so employed. I hope all of you understood health and welfare measures. Thank you.